Welcome to the 34th session of LMS program. This program is for BSc students, subject mathematics for 5th semester, and the title of the paper is numerical analysis. So the topic that we are seeing in numerical analysis is finite differences, right? In that we will understand today the concept of shift operator, that is capital E. So first we will go for recap what we have read in the last sessions. So we have understood the concept of backward difference. We have defined the backward difference. Then we have constructed the backward difference table and we have solved the problems on backward difference table. Right? Now in this session, at the end, we can able to define the shift operator. That means what is a shift operator, we will understand here. So now, what do you mean by a shift operator? How it is denoted? The shift operator is denoted by the letter capital E. Right, friends? Here it is denoted by capital E. We can see it here. Here is shift operator. Capital E is here. Here, this is E. It is a shift operator. We call it as a shift operator. The shift operator E is defined as shift f of x to the value of f at the next forward point. We will define it as a next forward point, that is nothing but an x plus h. Here we have defined it. E of it should be a bracket should be there. So E of f of x, E of f of x, or it can be said as E of f of x, is nothing but f of x plus h. That means E of f of x, wherever it is there, I can say it is nothing but an f of x plus h. This is the definition. This is the formula we can say. This is the formula we can say. That is E of f of x is equals to f of x plus h. Right? Now, next, we can write the higher order of this one. How we can write it? We will see that. So here we can see that. E power f of x, that is E power f of x, can be written as, there should be a bracket. I will write it, please. E power f of x is, I can write it as E into E. That is, I can write that one as E into E, right, into f of x. I can write like this, right? So I am writing that now, right? So I wrote this, E into E of f of x. Now, what I will do, I will apply the definition for this, E of f of x. I will keep outside E as it is. Now apply definition for this. What we can write, as we have read in the last PPT, that is E of f of x can be written as next forward point, that is E of f of x can be f of x plus h. Right, friends? This I can write it as the definition says. Now it will looks, it is again E of f of x. You can see it here. It is again E of f of x. We can see it here, this. If you apply again definition for this one, what it can be written as? E of f of, sorry, I will erase it E. It can be written as f of x plus h is there, that function as it is, plus forward point is h. Right? You can see what happens if you simplify this, f of ax plus 2h. Right? So that thing has been written over here. You can see it here. That means e square of f of x. E square of f of x can be written as f of x plus 2h. Right? So similarly, I can write for e to the power of 3 of f of x also. Here it is e to the power of 3 of f of x can be written as f of x plus 3h. Similarly, e to the power of 4 times of f of x can be written as f of x plus 4h, and so on. In general, if it is e power n, here it is e power n of f of x can be written as f of x plus n h. Right? So this is about the e nth power, how we can write. The inverse shift operator can be written here. Inverse of it I can say. It is here. That is e power minus 1. Here we can see it here. Okay. The operator e power minus 1 is defined by, how we can define it? Here it is e power minus 1 is nothing but an e of f of x. It is nothing but an f of x. Similarly, in general, I can say that e to the power of minus n into e power n f of x is nothing but an f of x. Right? So, this is about the shift operator. Some of the books for the reference are here. College Mathematics, BSc Mathematics and UG Mathematics. The BSc Mathematics for 6th semester by G.K. Ranganathan. You can refer that book. UG Mathematics, title of the book is Numerical Analysis by Dr. Mantesh Swami. And College Mathematics, Jai Prakash, Jairam, Prabhakar, Shant Kumar. So many people have wrote this book.